Okay guys, so today we're doing a 2021 Acadia. We're going to add a key. This is the place where you put the key. Right there to read it. You can see. So you place the key right there. Once you read the pin code and everything, just add it. Put yes. Switch ignition off. It's off. Okay. It'll automatically light up. And just wait your 10 minutes. We'll be right back. Just follow the instructions, guys. It says ready for remote 4. Current numbers of keys 3. You want to add another one, you can go ahead and add another one this time. We're going to click nope. It tells you switch ignition off. Open it. There you go. Turns off. Hold the button for 12 seconds. The remote start, the push start until it tells you to release. Press OK. Wait 5 seconds, everything's turned off. Switch ignition on.
Buenos y malos, era lo que decía mi mamá, ahora sí bien que la...
So just follow the instructions of what the card tells you. Switch ignition off. Like 30 seconds. I highly suggest just open your door so all electronics turn off. One thing that I like to tell is make sure your lights are completely off, so that way your car, usually GMC, tends